If you are looking for surveyor site that you can be making money from without stressing you, these two surveyor sites is the best surveyor site that I will recommend for you. Now, one of them is basically all about you talking. If you can actually talk, you can actually make money from this surveyor site. The sweetest part of it is that the scripts that you are going to read out will be given to you by the website themselves. So they are the one that will provide the script. Your own work is to read it out the way they want you to read it. So if you can add, if you can dramatically add, follow instructions, you will do well in this site. Now, for the fact I said it won't give you stress does not mean the moment you jump into it, you will start making money without stressing. Now, the real money will come when you do the real job. So after that, you will be paid. The three things you need before you be able to register on this website is your smartphone, stable internet connection, and a quiet environment. These are only three things that you need to have for you to start making money. I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can successfully sign up to this website and start making money. Be sure to watch this video from start to finish. Don't miss any part, because these two special surveyor sites, one is at the middle. So if you miss any part, you may miss out the right one for you. Before you sign up to any website, make sure you make research about that website, the payment method, and how legit that website is. I forgot about $10 for a site because I did not properly make research on that website. So make sure you make research so that you not waste your time. That is a disclaimer. Please read it before using this information. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. It does not guarantee that you will make money on any other platform I mentioned here. Your results can be varied depending on your skills, experience, demand, pricing, competition, location, and the amount of work you receive. Any income expression shows are illustration, not promising of earning. Always review before you sign up to any platform. To App Store or Play Store, Google Store, anyone you are using, download the. Okay, it's open on my own. This is how the logo looks like. You click on it, it's asking me to sign in. Now, if you already have an account, you know what to do. If you don't have an account, so I'm going to go straight to my own account, or let me sign up fresh. Then before we now log into my own account, so that you know the process of signing up. Now, this of your site, you need to get to $13.86 before you be able to withdraw your money. So you need to make up your mind to work on this site before you withdraw money. Now, I'm currently using Australia. You can use United States. Australia is not currently here in Nigeria or in Africa as a whole. So if you want to access it, you need to access it from all this country or using another method to be able to access it. So let me sign up. I need email address. Okay, password. Sign up. Okay, this is like onboarding questions. So this is how the onboarding questions looks like. So the first thing, they will ask you questions you need to answer the way you answer your surveys. Make sure you answer all these questions correctly. But the signing up process is very easy to sign up. Those of you that are looking for surveyors from Africans, the ones that does not require VPN, is a very good idea. And one thing you should understand is that they are not going to give you the same treatment they give foreigners. They're not going to receive the same treatment they give foreigners. So, and another thing, if they give foreigners, let's say 50 surveyors, or let's say, okay, let me use 100 surveyors to do. As Africa, Nigeria, all those countries, they won't give you that number of survey. So you'll be getting a lot of screen outs, and also you will not be having enough surveys to do. So I think it's time for you to just try and level up, get some equipment that you need so that you'll be able to jump into all these international surveys that can give you less stress and pay you more. So this is one thing I can say about this. So for answering that questions, you'll be giving 70 cents. I'll be taking you straight to my own page so that you see what I've been doing so far. This Surveyor site is one legit Surveyor site that you can definitely withdraw money from, but to get to the minimum threshold is a little bit high, is a little bit difficult, because for you to get $13 before you withdraw your minimum, before you withdraw your money, is kind of stressful for some people. Some people want something quick and easy, so that is where the number 2 of this Surveyor site comes in. That one, you can withdraw your money from $3. Once you hit $3, you withdraw your money. So that is about this very Surveyor site. And another way you can get work here is by being consistent and always current. The moment you receive email that you have Surveyor, just go immediately and work on it. So if you just allow that Surveyor, that message to last like 30 minutes, 40 minutes before you go and check it, others have already taken the Surveyor. So you just need to be active. So I already have $2 rolling down for me. Now payment method here is through PayPal. Once you hit $13.86, that is when you can withdraw your money. Now they have Amazon and they have Visa card. Now for the fact that I'm doing this app, and does not really mean the moment you join this app you will start making money. It's not a get rich quick site. You need to make your research and be consistent. So make your own research before you sign up. So not a financial advice, and before you make any financial commitment, make sure you make research very well before you sign up to anything. So this is how the site looks like, and the other ways you can make money from this site. You can also make money from this site through games. I'm not the game type, so if you are good in playing games, you can also make money. Unlock the fun of earning, play exciting new games and watch your earning soar. Every minute of gameplay boosts your balance. It's time to get rewarded for every play. So if you play game, you also make money from this site. So the more you are doing the survey, the more they'll be giving you more surveys to do. Make sure that you fill your profile very well. Answer your profile questions very well. If you answer your profile question very well, they will use it to match you to relevant surveys that's available. Let me explain what this Improve Arena is all about. It's a platform where you can earn reward by participating in voice-based activities and challenges. Create your account, complete the registration process. After that, you can now participate in a different voice challenges where you read lines, respond to scenarios, or perform short conversation. Now these conversations are being given to you by this website, so they will ask you to read it in different ways. They ask you to read it dramatically, angrily, happily, or just read it normal reading. So they give you different ways you can read it. You repeat it like 6 times. So after that, you will be rewarded. So when it comes to payment method, 1,000 coins is equals to $1. So you can withdraw your money when you hit $3. So their minimum withdrawal is $3 to $5. So that's the amount you can withdraw, and you can withdraw your money through bank transfer, PayPal, Venmo, and gift card. So let's fill our profile correctly. Our username, you can put something as your username. Save username. Okay, we have saved the username. Then the language you are good at, English. Basically use English. If you have another language that you can use, you can as well use it. Now you should understand that this very app is not in Nigeria. If you are accessing it from Nigeria, you have to use Prezi. It's not in Nigeria. So native language. Then recording tip. Hold the phone at arm's length and speak into the button. Next one, grip the side, never cover the bottom mic. Next, hold the phone completely till while you are recording. Pick a very quiet room and avoid echoes. Record alone, no TV, music, fans, or any other voice. Now, high quality recording earns coins. So that is all you need to do. So we are trying to start onboarding. Time to start earning. This is where you start recording. Turn on the mic. Allow script to read. So you need to say it the way they want you to say it. They will tell you to say it this way, they will not tell you to say it the other way. So the more able to say it very well, they will record it for you. Now, what you need in this site is just your smartphone and a quiet environment. So you need to find where a place that is very, very quiet, not a noisy place. If you are doing it in a noisy place, you'll be disqualified. So you need a quiet environment. You can be able to make up to $3 within 1 hour if you are in a quiet environment and if you are consistent. So before registering or before signing up to this platform, make sure you make your own research. Make my own research, so it's up to you to also to make your own research as well. If you are looking for a platform where you can complete voice activities and earn small reward and your own spare time, Improve Arena is one option to navigate. You can try it. It's where you can use your voice. As long as you can talk, you can do well on it. So just remember that earning are not guaranteed. Availability can depend on your location. So okay guys, if you find value on this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and give this video a thumbs up. See you when next I come. Bye bye.